to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have got January's Birchbox and it's a cute one. I'm really liking the look of this box. It's really cute. It's got like little pink flamingos and flowers on it. It does say Birchbox times Oh Dear, and I have a feeling that that could be like a design like company thing. Just by the way, if you are interested, this makeup look is up on my second channel, which is SJTV Live. So if you did want to see that, I did a live video of this, and yeah, you can go check that out. I would love it if you did. If you're not already subscribed to that channel, please do subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more on there, and hopefully that is where Vlogtober and Vlogmas and like all the big vlogging months are going to be on that channel, hopefully. So let's get into this little box. I'm so glad that they stick with the drawers. I love my Birchbox drawers. Ooh! Oh, I've seen something I'm excited about that I was literally just talking about in the video where I filmed this as well, if it is what I think it is. So let's look at this first. We've got Oh Dear, 20% off at Oh Dear. See our interview with Chloe Hall, the artist behind this month's box. So yeah, it must be, oh, okay. So I think it is like this type of thing where they do like designs for like, they probably do like canvases and like planners and all that type of thing. So I might actually check that out, 20% off as well. Okay, let's have a look. So is this, where's my, it's inside. So Stand Tall stationery brand, yeah, okay. So first of all, Lord and Berry full size. What is it? Oh, a blusher crayon. That's kind of weird. Why would we have? So this is what it looks like, and apparently this is for blush. I like the colour, but how would you use this for blush? I want this for my lips. Can I use this on my lips? There are a lot of products out there that are blush and lip, which, so maybe I could use that on my lips, but let's read it out anyway. Hopefully I'm in focus. January has a bad rep for being a gloomy month. Tell me about it. But not if this blush stick has anything to do with it. Playing with colour is a perfect way to add a little pep to your step on grey days. So this comes in 2 different shades, I think. Like, people will have got different shades. And this crayon couldn't be easier to use. Embrace your inner kid and scribble onto the apples of your cheeks, then blend out the edges with your fingertips for an instant flush. Yeah, I get that, because I just did that on my hand. You can actually kind of see it as well. So I got the shade Peach. So it was either Peach or Camellia. I love peach shades, like lips, eyes, all of that for summer. I love it. Peach is like my thing when it comes to summertime, so I'm excited. So yeah, this is a full-size item and the RRP is £15. So pop that down there. Then we've got Marcel, a Birchbox exclusive waterproof eyeliner in charcoal, which is here. Oh, okay. This is what it looks like. I am not feeling the white balance right now, guys. Everything's looking very yellowy. I am not tanned and I don't have fake tan on, but it looks like I have really bad fake tan on. It's really weird. Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it's looking like that. Is that better? I feel like there's something dodgy going on. But anyway, let's just ignore that for now. Hopefully it doesn't look as bad as it's looking for me while I'm filming. But let's read about this. It's a waterproof eyeliner in charcoal, long lasting, smudge resistant and waterproof. This eyeliner will stay put from the morning school run through to your evening dinner plans. No touch-ups required. The soft charcoal shade is a wearable twist on a classic black, and it glides on smoothly for effortless application. Just sweep the pencil across your lash line, starting from the inner corner of your eye. So that's interesting. Like what you've tried, enjoy 10% off full-size products in this month's box. Aww. That's so cute. Okay, cool. And next I'm seeing, hang on, let me have a little drink of this before it goes cold. By the way, how much do you love this? One of my kids got this for Christmas. Little Miss Fabulous. Throw glitter in today's face! Yes, I will. I actually haven't got any glitter on today. Anyway, next up we've got Thermalive Night Cream. I've got so many night creams at the moment from obviously all my advent calendars, but I love them. I love them. It's fine. Did I tell you the RRP for that eyeliner, by the way? I don't think I said, is $10.99, and maybe this might actually not be a full size. It doesn't say it's a full size. But it's not tiny, but it's not huge, if that makes sense. So it could be full size, it could not be. But the RRP for the full size is $10.99. So, about this night cream, getting a good night's sleep does wonders for your skin, but let's face it, those long sleep sessions are often few and far between. Tell me about it. When you can't guarantee a full 8 hours, massage this PM moisturiser into your skin to boost its regeneration potential. Ah, okay. Brimming with sea chamomile to boost collagen. Sea chamomile. To boost collagen production and vitamin E to soothe. Your skin will be left plump, nourished and well rested come morning. I wonder if this is sealed. It's not sealed. There's probably a little bit on there. Can't really, you know when you've got creams on and then you can't properly smell anything then, can you? I feel like that smells familiar. Everything smells familiar to me. Oh, I like the way that feels though. Ooh, okay, what's the RRP for this? The RRP for this is $15.75, and I don't think this is a full size. It's a good size. It is 15ml, which for like a face cream, it's not a bad size, but yeah. Next up we've got Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. And this is not a full size. It's quite a small little bottle, but this would be quite handy for like, this would be quite handy for like travelling and things like that. I wonder what it smells like. But let's read about it. RRP from £20. This has in it 37ml. Random size, but okay. The ultimate quick fix hair product. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. It soaks up oils and adds oomph to lifeless styles. Spray it generously into your roots and give your hair a quick tousle to maximise the volume. There's no powdery residue and your locks will be left with that rough and tumble texture only normally achieved with serious styling prowess. Okay, interesting. I think there's just one more thing, but I'm seeing some stickers in here as well. Oh, obviously this is from the, what's it called? Oh dear. So we have actually got some cute little stickers. That is quite cute. I wish you could see a little bit better, but you can see, can't you? Kind of. So they're really cute. Be fabulous, strut your stuff. This belongs to do. Oh, so that's cute. So I guess that's like a sample of what you can get from the website. So I definitely think it'd be worth going and checking that website out just to see what they've got. But this is the thing that I was excited about now, and I'm just hoping it is what I thought it was. Yes, it is! So this is the After Spa Amazing Makeup Remover. £5.50. Right, okay. If you do happen to watch the video where I did this makeup on my other channel, it's the Makeup Revolution. Oh, it's still here. It's the Makeup Revolution Welcome to the Pleasure Dome. And I did actually mention this, which is one of the makeup remover things. This one is called Magnetone. It's like called Wipeout or something like that, and it's amazing. I love it. It's definitely going to make me wear makeup more because taking it off with that is so easy. I can't even explain how easy it is. It doesn't bother my eyes. It's brilliant. So I was just saying I want to get some more of these makeup remover things. So, and I got one! Yay! So hopefully this one will also be as good, and this says, forget the various lotions and potions that usually assist in the removal of makeup. With this ultra soft cloth, there's only one thing that you need: water. That's right, just wet the cloth and massage it over your face to break down impurities and remove all types of makeup. Give it a spin in the washing machine before first use. Wow, then get started. Bonus, it lasts up to 1,000 washes. So I need to open this right now. I hope this is just as good. I do have another one which is like a miniature. It's the original one that first came out, which I think is called the Makeup Eraser or something. But it's a really, really tiny little version. It's like half the size of that. It's like about that big. Obviously that's dirty because I've used it, which is why I want like more. Yeah, it's like the same size as this, which I think is quite small. Like, it's a lot smaller than this one. But the other one that I've got is about this big as well. But this is so soft. So I wonder if they do a bigger version of this or not. Before I use it can work properly after machine washing for the first time in Magic Towel. So it says to machine wash it, and it did say that with that, but I just didn't. I did like run it under the tap loads and like you know, did all that with it, but I'm really lazy, guys. This is why these come in so handy, because it makes it so much easier to take your makeup off, and this is so freaking soft. So I will use this and I will update you in a later video as to whether it's any good. But an update on this one, it's amazing. I love it. So I'm hoping that this is going to be just as good. And I might get a few so that obviously while others are in the wash, I've got plenty on hand. It's just going to make it so much easier for me. It's going to make me wear makeup more because I don't have to think about taking it off. Anyway, that's enough of that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'm sorry if everything just shook then. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah!